but DJ Joy Mfalme. And you know what? I was blown up when I saw him, and I was like, I approached him and I was like, DJ Joy Mfalme, you know what? Oh man, you great. You know, it's like meeting DJ Khaled. It's like meeting DJ Khaled in a club. I'm like, dang, you know. So nice. I'm in a club right now. You can see I'm having fun, I'm dancing, I'm all over the place. And you might ask yourself, how did I end up here? Okay, fine. I'm a YouTuber and having fun is part of life, okay? So, I'm in Mombasa. As all of you know, I've been doing coastal videos and I ended up in Bamburi. I met up this crazy guy during the day while I was coming to Bamburi. It's so funny. And I did a video there where I was trying to test some street food. Then I took a motorbike to this place of a friend of mine to meet a friend of mine. I'm not going to reveal her because of safety and privacy issues, but you might end up seeing her in this video. But so I get a motorbike and I leave to a place. Getting to the place, she's like, Nzioka, you know what? We are going to party. So guys, this is what we call nightlife here in Bamburi. We came clubbing with one of my friends. So we came night clubbing. We're trying different clubs, so you can come and try them here in Bamburi when you come. Tell me in the comment section, or when you go to the coast or to a vacation, you always want to go in a club. Tell me, because right here, right now, you see me partying, dancing. This is the most expensive club ever in the coastal region of Kenya, and this place is called Bamburi, and this is Nyali Mall. I'm here at the Nyali Mall, and the name of this club is called Tapa's Lounge. And you know what, guys? I'm out of my mind. I'm blown up. It's so beautiful. It is one of the biggest clubs here and the most expensive. Drinks are named so crazily. Like, I don't want to say it because it's the names. If you guys know Tapas, if you've ever been to Tapas, tell me some of the names of the drinks down there. Because, okay, I'll just say this one. Sex with Jennifer. That's one of the drinks that I saw. It costed like 4,000. It was 4,500, I think so. Kenya shillings. So guys, tell me the other names that you ever seen on Tapa's Lounge if you ever visited this place, because they have different branches everywhere. And if you've ever seen them, just tell me in the comment section. Okay, so that's how I got here. I came here with a friend of mine, that is Caroline, as I impersonated her, and I had a friend of ours as well from Iraq. So we came together. We were three of us, but because of privacy issues, I'm gonna try my best to not show them on this video. But so this is nightlife video. Welcome to Nzioka channel, and we're here at Tapa's Lounge. The journey begins and on this other end where we just came to this one. I'm not gonna mention them because I'm not here to promote anyone. Here I met different people, different personalities, and this is for the rich people. And I'm not saying this so that maybe you're not rich and you want to come to Tapas. Guys, you can come. I'm not that rich. I don't have a lot of money, and I bet with even 1,000 cash shillings you can have fun here. You know what? Let me give you a hint. When you come to Tapas, make sure you sit next. Are you listening to this? Make sure you come and sit next to this counter right here. When you sit to the counter, just get one drink, because drinks here, they are so expensive. Just get one drink and make sure you come a day when you know there's a game, and just sit there and expect someone who is going to ring the bell when the team is going, his or our team is going to win. The bell is going to be rung. And the rule, if you've ever been to clubbing, I'm just explaining like I've ever been to a club, or I'm an expert. I'm not. I just got the ins from the most, from the expert herself. Caroline was giving me all these ins. So if you want to drink and you don't have money, just come and sit to the counter, and once the bell is rung, you'll be given the same drink that you're already drinking. So if you got like tequila, if you got like Moonwalker, if you got like Black Label, or you got just a soda like me, for people who don't drink, or water, that's what you're going to get. But make sure if you want to drink and you want to have fun and you want to enjoy and you don't have enough money, just come and just buy one drink, just sip it slowly, just sit next to the counter, and that's it. That's the end I gave you. What other ends, guys, do you usually do when you go clubbing? What are the fun things that you go? But the other side, guys, the moment of this video is where I met a celebrity. One of the people I look at. I love music, guys. I love listening to good music, good mixtapes. And you know what? I met this one of the biggest DJs. I believe he's the biggest DJ in Africa. If not so, in Eastern Africa. He is the biggest in Kenya anyway. He's called none other but DJ Joy Mfalme. And you know what? I was blown up when I saw him, and I approached him and I was like, DJ Joy Mfalme, you know what? Oh man, you great. You know, it's like meeting DJ Khaled. It's like meeting DJ Khaled in a club. I'm like, dang, you know. So even when you go and look at his Instagram, you see that night he was there, Tapa's Lounge, Mombasa, and we had fun, guys. I got a short clip with him. I also did another video with him. I'm gonna be dropping it soon. You guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you love it. And when you come to the coast, this is the place to come and have fun. This is the place to come and enjoy. Have nightlife, enjoy, drink, be with friends, meet new people, and just be blown up by your mind. The beauty of this place. If you like hyping places, okay, let me put the names of these places here. I'll just put the names of the places where you can go and have fun as well. So I didn't visit these places, but some of them were suggested to me. There's also an high-end club. It's called Moonwalk or Moonlight. I'll make sure to write it down when I research on that. It's called Moonlight or Moonwalk. It's still here. It's not far from here, this mall. And also, you can check the other two. There are also other two. When you come to this mall, Nyali Mall, there are other two more clubs. They're not best to me because this one got my heart. So nice. So guys, that was the nightlife here at Mombasa. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share on this video.